Welcome back to the channel guys. Today I'm going to share some easy tips on how to win at Vita Mahjong app or game every time you play. The rules are simple. Match pairs of free tiles until the board is clear, but winning consistently takes a little strategy. So you can do this strategy like I tell you. So simply open your Vita Mahjong app and start your level right away. You can tap on the level 2 option and go into your level. Always look for matches on the top layers and edges first. Clearing these tiles opens up more moves. Simply select the tiles that are visible on top and you can choose them. Don't rush. Sometimes making one quick match can block better options later. Take a second to scan the board before tapping. Use the shuffle or hint button at the bottom of your screen right here. These two are the shuffle and this is the hint button right here. You can use it if you are stuck somewhere on your game. Plan ahead and try to match tiles that will free up the maximum numbers of new tiles instead of just clearing random ones. Keep practicing. The more boards you play, the better pattern you can recognize and you can easily win it. And that's it guys. Follow these steps and you will be able to win at Vita Mahjong in no time at all. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips and tell me in your comment sections your highest level so far. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.